going to speak about the youngest freedom fighter of India. The brave children and teenagers who sacrificed their lives and dreams so that we can live in a free and independent country. When we think of freedom fighters, we often remember great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. But there were also young heroes, some just 12 or 15-year-old, who fought with equal courage. One of them was Khudiram Bose. He was just 18 years old when he was hanged by the British for his role in the freedom struggle. He smiled and shouted, "Vande Mataram," even while walking to the cross. His courage still inspires us today. Another young hero was Bharat Rajguru, also known as Bharat Singh, who joined the freedom movement at the age of 12. Even though he was a child, he stood strong against British rule, showing us that patriotism has no age. We also remember Kanaklata Barua, a brave girl from Assam who died at just 17 years old while holding the Indian flag during the Quit India movement. These young freedom fighters proved that the fight for freedom was not just for adults. Their hearts were filled with love for the nation, and their bravery teaches us that you are never too young to make a difference. Friends, we are lucky to be born in a free India. Let us respect the sacrifices of these young heroes by being responsible citizens, working hard and always standing for truth and justice. Thank you.
Degree in law from England and returned to India as a barrister. He became a lawyer just like his father. Later he became involved in the India's freedom movement with Mahatma Gandhi. During the freedom movement he sent to jail several times. His entire life was the history of India's fight for independence. Jawaharlal Nehru was a great lover of children. Who loved him greatly called him Chacha Nehru. It is due to his great love for children and children love for him. His birthday on 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day in our country every year. Thank you.
Respected Gyan, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I want to say some lines about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on July 23, 1857 in Maharashtra. He was not only a freedom fighter but also a teacher, journalist and social reformer. He is remembered as one of the first leaders to demand complete independence for India. He gave the powerful slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." This slogan became the voice of millions of Indians during the freedom struggle. Tilak strongly believed that Indians should fight for their rights. He inspired many young people to join the movement. He started newspapers like Kesari and the Maharat to awake the spirit of nationalists among Indians. He also promoted Ganesh Utsav and Shivaji Jayanti to bring people together and make them proud of their culture and heritage. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's bravery, wisdom and leadership made him one of the most respected figures in our history. He is rightly called the father of Indian unrest by the British because he fearlessly challenged their rule. Let us always remember his sacrifice and take inspiration from his word and actions. Thank you.